Oh dear kids, welcome to Daniel Heather Cartoons. So, do we start the video? Before starting our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Daniel Heather Cartoons. So, let's start. Matter, two little ants, Tilu and Milu, are working hard to gather food for the winters. Tilu, Milu, we have to work quickly. Winter is coming and we need to collect enough food for the whole colony. Milu, you are right, Tillu. Let's keep moving. I'll collect the grains and you can gather the leaves. They're working hard, racing against the time. Work, Milu's fought a shortcut through the forest. It's look easier and he is tempted to take it. Milu, look, there's a shortcut through the trees. It's closer and might be quicker. What do you think? Tilu, I don't know, Milu. We are already on a safe path. Maybe we should stick it. It's always better to be cautious, Milu. Come on, Tilu, you are too careful. Let's try it. What is the worst could happen? Milu excitedly starts talking to the shortcut while Tillu hesitates. Tillu takes the shortcut. He soon gets stuck in a spider's web. He panics and tries to free himself, but he can't. Tillu, help! Tillu, where are you? I can't get out. Tillu hears. Milu cries and rushes to help him. Tillu finds Milu trapped in a spider's web. He works hard to free him for the web. Milu, this is where I told you to not take the shortcut. You have to think before you act. Milu, you are right. Tilu, I should have listened to you. I was too eager to take the easy way. Hence now return their original path, working together even harder. This time Milu is more focused and Tilu is happy to see his friend learn the lesson. I'm sorry for not listening to you earlier. Tilu, let's finish our work together and make sure we are ready for winter. Tilu, no problem. Milu, we all make mistakes. Important things to learn from them. The ants continue working side by side, stronger and wiser than before. As the winter starts, they gather lots of food for the winters and happy to their hard work. They sit in their cozy room and looks happy. So the moral of the story is taking shortcut might be seen like an easy way out, but hard work and making thoughtful decisions always learn to be better result. Always think before you act. And remember, there is value in doing things that right way. I hope you like it. If you like it, share it and subscribe it. Goodbye.